Press open, put CD, press close, press play, shut up, listen and do. Simple. The V is making it so easy for you to run an ethical business. Right? So education, training. Right? Then I said, listen, this is what you do. You talk to a couple of friends, family, people on your list. They join the business. We explain to them what the business is about. Ethically. No over promises and under delivering. Now, there is a balance. Please don't be a moron and go and, I'm saying moron with love for the first time people hearing me say it. Right? Don't be a moron and go to somebody and say, listen, I am an ethical networker. Alright? This business is difficult, nobody makes money, this is the hardest thing you ever do in your life, blah 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 blah. You will have to sacrifice time with your family, friends, you can't watch movies, blah blah blah, you have to work, do rule 3, rule this, rule that, rule that. Are you interested? Which moron is going to say yes? So I'm not asking you to paint the ugliest picture. I'm asking you to paint a realistic picture. I'm not asking you to paint the most beautiful picture, which really doesn't exist. That's also unethical behavior. Alright, think about this. Alright, so the bottom line is, okay, unethical group, short term, destroy network. Ethical group, long term, businessman, businesswoman. You make the decision. Alright, so if this group focuses on training and education and knowledge, alright, this group, nothing. Hey, join the business, fine to stop. Do I have to attend any meetings? No need. Bring people. I'll present the same unethical way. Do you have any material? Don't waste money. Alright? Nothing you need to know. My upline is a millionaire because he did it this way. That millionaire won't be a millionaire forever. I don't want to be a millionaire for 1 year, I want to be a millionaire for the rest of my life. I want this business to keep paying me when I'm old sitting on a rocking chair. Are you guys with me? Right? That's a long-term mentality. Right? So, unethical practices, does it exist today? Yes. And my vision, alright, the vision of the V partners, the AVPs, the V council is, we want to be here forever. And we want to do it the right way. So the first mistake people make even begins at the presentation. Right? Even begins when you make the phone call and call the prospect. You call the prospect and say, hey, you're interested in making easy money? That word alone now will get you in trouble. Hey, I have a business opportunity. No obligations. Alright? I just need 30 minutes of your time. Let's meet for a cup of coffee. If you like what you see, let's work together. If you don't like what you see, no problem. Let's have a cup of coffee, talk about everything else, and we go back home. But how people call, oh, you must come. This is the best. I have earned so much. My upline has earned so much. Think about it. Alright? Why are you in this business? To make a quick buck and hurt people and run? Alright? Or make long-term sustainable income and help more people around you achieve this thing called financial freedom. Okay? So, ethical, unethical. Ethical, unethical. You decide where you want to belong. And if your upline presented you this fine to stop, sleep, money will fall from the sky, right? Confront your upline. Okay? Alright? Tell your upline, listen, I watch this good-looking Malaysian on video and he said what you're doing is wrong. I want to do it this way. Can you teach me this way? Are you guys with me now? Right? Because it's your future. If your upline is a moron, doesn't mean you have to be a moron too. Okay? Now, this business is about success. And you like to talk about success. Yes? And if you are a successful networker, the easiest thing you can do is go up on stage or go up to somebody's meeting or whatever. Alright? You go up on stage or go to somebody's meeting and you say, listen, I've been in the business for 6 months. And even your standing is one kind of posture, you know. Alright? Arrogant. And you say, this is my check. This is my check. This is my check. This is my check. 10,000, 20,000, whatever your check is. Right? You start showing the check. Is it good to show the check? No. Why? Because you set an expectation level in the prospect's mind. So if an innocent moron like me sitting on the table, 6 months the guy got this check, unbelievable, I love it, I want to join. But after 6 months, if I don't get that kind of check, remember, uncle, works in the authorities, family dinner, I complain, I got cheated. Are they going to attack the group or attack the company? The company. And everyone gets affected. Do you understand? So I like to talk about my success, but I don't have to tell you I earn how much. Look at me. Alright? Look at the posture. Talk about your lifestyle. Make statements like, I've been in the business for 3 years. And after coming into this business, I have a big problem. Every afternoon when I wake up, I don't have to wake up in the morning like you, because I'm financially free. Perfect statement. I leave my house, and I stand in front of my house for 30 minutes, because my biggest problem every afternoon is choosing which car should I drive today. Unbelievable statement of lifestyle. Are you guys with me? Alright? Okay? You have breakfast at home. Next day you have breakfast at home. Next day you have breakfast at home. When I get married, one day, inshallah, to a very beautiful, networking, supportive, dreamer woman, okay, alright? I'm going to tell the crowd, hey listen, I had breakfast with my wife yesterday. Everyone said, so what? In Paris. And today we are in Kuala Lumpur. So you can talk about your success in a different way, alright? Defining your lifestyle of success. Are you guys with me? You don't have to brag and show your checks. Right? Showing your checks create jealousy in the table. And how do you know the guy sitting there is from the income tax department? And he says, oh really, big checks brother, I'm coming to your house tomorrow to check out what else you own. Right? Guys, think before you do things. Think whether it's duplicable. Because if I have a $10,000 check, I can show it. But my downline who doesn't have a $10,000 check will feel inferior. I can't do the business like Patman because I don't have a $10,000 check. Alright? I've been doing this business for years and I'm financially free. I never needed to show a check. You are the success of this business. Your lifestyle represents the success of your business. Alright? Think about that point. So this guy here is going to use his checks. Effective? Maybe. For how long? Duplicable? No. No one else can do it unless the guy has big checks. So why would you be a moron and talk about your checks? Not necessary. That means you're not a true businessman. You're not truly successful. If you have to depend on a piece of paper to show your success, that means you have not grown in this business. You will never have the respect of your downlines. Because when that piece of paper is no longer there, you are useless. You can't command your people anymore. You can't be a true leader. Right? A true leader, success is represented by how much you have grown, how much your lifestyle has changed. Simple things. I'm free. I don't work 9 to 5. I don't go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home anymore. I'm free. Without mentioning my check, that statement alone inspires thousands of people to get into our business, to achieve that same freedom many thousands of people in QuestNet and the V have achieved today. Right? So there are many ways to have the same positive effect of these unethical people by doing ethical methods. So the truth about network marketing is, you don't need to show checks. Show your lifestyle. Talk about success. And success to a mother or father. Simple statement I remember one of our leaders saying. He went up on stage, he made great success in our business, unbelievable networker, and he said, guys, I'm a full-time daddy. That is what QuestNet gave me. Unbelievable statement. Because most fathers go to work, come back home, never get a chance to be with their kids. So the statement of full-time daddy is much more powerful than a moron showing a check. Let me tell you that. This is networking. This is professional networking. So you have to think about that. Alright? Now, long-term, short-term. A lot of people had this argument with me. Okay, Batman, you call me unethical, you call me a moron, I show my checks, blah, blah, blah. But I'm successful. Yes, for 6 months. For 1 year. Then what happens? Right? People are not going to follow you. Right? Because your success is so individualistic. Right? In unethical groups, there'll be a small number of people earning a lot of money. And thousands of people who feel like they were cheated, who are not earning money. Because what the uplines are doing is not duplicable. And then you have another organization which is the A organization, the organization the V endorses, the organization I love, right? where a lot of people earning good checks, lifestyle changes, uplines respected, right? Influential. People follow them, right? They say stand, stand, sit, sit. Not because he's Hitler or dictator or whatever, right? Because, hey, this guy helped me become successful. He trained me. He educated me, right? So this area where you should belong, this group A, training, education, knowledge, ethics, long-term business, right? This is where you should belong. Unethical, short-term, no training, no knowledge, a lot of lies. Okay? If you belong to this organization, can I tell you the truth? Because we're talking about the truth today. You may make a little bit of money, but you're not a networker in my book. And your business will never last. It will collapse. You will burn bridges, hurt people in the process because you made big promises you couldn't fulfill. You made empty promises you couldn't make into reality. Right? Now, QuestNet and the V have decided from the day we started in 1998 that we are here to stay. And in order for us to stay, you cannot sit at home watching this video and saying, well, I just want to make my money and run. Just think about this. You sign up and you join an unethical group, or you belong to an unethical system or system which lies and shows checks and make promises they can't keep and say things like buy tracking center, find two, stop and make money from the sky, which is a lie. Why would you want to find two and stop? Then what about rule 3? What about always networking until you retire? Alright? You may be sitting and saying, it's okay, Patman, I'm going to make my money, I'm happy. Alright? Why do I care about the rest of the world? I feel very sorry for you. Just think about this for 1 minute. The day you sign up and you get a left and right, you're on your own. Do whatever you want.